front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on About Phone at the bottom and choose the Rename option under your current device name. Now you can type whatever you want to. In my case, Sunny. To save your changes, click on Done. To discard them, select Cancel. I want to save my new name, so when I tap on Done, as you can see, name of my Samsung has changed. This operation also will change your Bluetooth name. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go back. Click on Connections at the top of Devices Settings. Select Bluetooth over here by clicking on it on the left. Activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner and waiting for your name to appear over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!